Just put one. Oh,
You guys are not even letting me go in. This is a mess. Another one in to make it bigger?
yeah. Oh.
This is a mess.
We're gonna do the world make the volcano erupt. Wow. So the science measure is 5PS12. Measure and graph quantities to provide evidence that regardless of the type of change that occurs when heating, cooling, or mixing substance, the total weight of matter is conserved. Students' learning goal will be students will learn the number of mentals that will affect the height of the explosion when added. So here is the video. Just put one. Oh,
You guys are not even letting me go in. This is a mess. Another one in to make it bigger?
yeah. Oh.
This is a mess.
We're gonna do the world make the volcano erupt. Wow. So the vocabulary related is explosion, carbon dioxide gas, matter phases, the solid, liquid, gas, controlled variables, dependent variables, and independent variables. For informal assessment, I'm going to be asking her different questions. One of the questions is going to be, did the amount of menthols you put into the Coke, did it affect the explosion? For exit questions, I'm going to be asking her how much soda is left in the bottle, and she's going to be able to measure that with a ruler. And then I'm also going to be asking her what is the control variable in the experiment and why.